The voice, animal.
We are 12 brothers and sisters, and life was always hard for us. I was the eldest brother, so I had to bring money home. Music changed our lives.
No road's too long, no mountain too high. I'll reach for the stars across the sky. With every heartbeat I'll embrace the strife. For this is my life, it's worth the ride. This is my life, story to unfold, with chapters of silver, some of gold. Through laughter and tears I'll carry on. This is my life.
I was born in a neighborhood with a high crime rate. I tried very hard to stay away from crime. I may have done some wrong things in my past, but I got out of this swamp through music.
Life is hard sometimes, but don't get flooded. I tried every time, I didn't talk, I worked. Always striving, always fighting. I won this game, through the music, change your perspective. Express and shout, know when to shut up. Don't let anyone, don't leave anyone. If you make a mistake, don't look back. Stop time, stop life. It's not the time that passes, it's the moments you don't live. Life is hard sometimes, but don't get tired. I fell down, I got up, then I ran and tried every time. I didn't talk a word, lost in eternity.